don't crash, oh. In fact, this is my English, when they crash together. They say plane don't crash inside Kenya. And this one happened for Kajiado, for inside Kenya there. Say this military helicopter, they carry their Kenya Defense Forces. If like say then these people they do training before we go see, oh boy, fire don't start to come outside from this place. Hey, my people are beg, make na use na eye, see for yourself.
This is a place called the Emerit village in Kajiado West sub-county, and this is an area that is hilly, and it's surrounded with several hills, and it's a marginalized place. But so far, I've seen the GSU officers, KDF officers, and the police who are now at the scene of the accident, and they are continuing with the process of trying to remove the bodies of those who have been trapped in the aircraft. Because according to eyewitnesses, the aircraft, the army chopper, it blasted into flames the moment it got down. But we are being told some of the officers managed to jump off the chopper before it got down on ground, and that's why at least 13 of them managed to be rescued. But these are figures that we are still waiting for the figures to be confirmed by from the Air Force headquarters, because right now military has taken over this place, and nobody is allowed to even take the pictures of the scene of the accident. And right now we are just meters far away trying to see what is unfolding moving forward.
They say this aircraft, they're on training. Hey! Training! When we say I know say this aircraft no they okay. When I come carry and say now I'm going to use and do training. And I say me as I even there as I watch this scratch, my mind does go parachute. I mean why these people mind no go this kind of thing? And I see why good members they watch on both film. Because you go don't already gain exposure, you go don't know the necessary things to do. This kind of helicopters where they sound like generator. See they see the kak. I know they understand. Or I should say this helicopter no be second-hand helicopter. Say no be Tokumbo. I mean they just go find fake spare parts. They match this instead they and do training. But as Matapi, they say people don't die. About 10 people don't die, and they say now 23 people they're inside this craft. 23 people inside this small thing. Don't be overloading with that. Because I look say the weight of this thing, it go down too much. Or now when we say now they do training, maybe now go carry this one, carry that one. But how come 23 people they die? Because when I watch this video well, before this thing crash, it first move. So parachute no they inside this plane. The pilots of when they drive, on a no get training. Because if I get training, on a go no say, it gets some time. All this kind of thing before it go happen, go to okay, oh, my passengers, make na go where na make na fly. But I also say ordinary then these people no even sabi do. Even the people when they drive this and the people when they inside this defense forces, I sure say they don't even get the necessary training. Emergency exits they inside plane. They inside this helicopter. So what you make na not even use the necessary things where they inside. Unless then these things no they inside. Make una so rest in peace so for the people who don't die. Because they say out of this 23, 13 they for hospital right now, and even some even they missing. They say they find somebody once they don't see, they don't rush them go hospital and they receive the medical treatment. May God have mercy, oh. See as everything just born. But in fact, I don't even wonder how person they survive this kind of crash. Because this one's serious. But all these kinds they go they talk them. Maintenance. Because I should say if say them they do proper maintenance on top of all this aircraft, they go know so okay, oh, this tire don't spoil. Fuel no dey this place. This one no. But see, they don't go put things in place. They go they collect all this money just for chopping. Just for sweet mouth. See now, they don't go kill innocent people. People will be saying, in fact, maybe then these people say they be students, just they learn this kind of thing. They just go waste their life. Plus the person where they fly ammo, plus the people where even they train them. In fact, all of them, make can even cause them. Because I feel say all these things, they supposed get the necessary training. They supposed know say, okay, as this thing on they born. All of us supposed even wear our parachute before they even climb this, maybe they wear them. Make everybody start to they fly. Make we even see and say, Kenyan people at least in a guess and small. And I don't show rescue team, and I don't they fly come out. This one everybody just die. If say now passengers they inside this kind of thing now, what do you want to happen? 23 people on top of this kind of small thing. I hope say the people where they receive this treatment, I wish them quick recovery, make them well quick. And for the people who don't die, condolences to their family, because nothing will go fit talk again. This one I'm sure saying that the negligence of this officials and these Airforce people then go cause this kind of one. Because if this thing they okay, if this thing they fit, I'm not sure say it go just crash just like that. My people, I hear this one inside Kenya. I can't say make I bring and come for now, making myself using an eye, see what thing they happen for there. Anything when I feel, making I don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Making I don't forget to like and also share this video so that other people self go see what they yarn about. I go see you now for the next video.